Hey everybody, Matt Eppers, Grand Design Transcend Product Manager, and today introducing to you the highly anticipated next iteration into our Transcend One, the 161BH. Excited for this 161BH, but let's take a look at some of the features that makes this different and a couple of firsts for the Transcend One, starting with our first exterior camp kitchen on the Transcend One segment. We got the great griddle, the nice dorm style refrigerator here for you. The griddle's on that MORryde pull-out tray. A couple other things you'll see door side on this Transcend One will be the full awning coverage that goes all the way over the door and of course covers your camp kitchen there for you as well. But we do a couple special things in this kind of floor plan shape, specifically on the off door side or rear of the camper. Let's go check that out. Now here's one of the differentiators in this 161BH, and you'll notice it's a bag door back here, but what you'll see is that there's actually two bag door kind of slots. That way it's not flimsy, motion light, but you will see the additional exterior storage. So very rare, not something you see at all on a single axle, be the camp kitchen door side, and then additional exterior storage on the rear, coupled with the full pass-through storage up front, which we'll check out here in a minute. So although the 161BH is a Murphy bed model, you'll notice full pass-through storage. You got the universal docking station on the other side, but again, in a smaller 23-foot box unit, you got full pass-through storage, camp kitchen, and then that exterior storage on the rear. So a lot of exterior storage for a smaller profile unit. Let's pop inside, show you some of the things that makes this floor plan shape and this 161BH special. Inside the beautiful and new 161BH, a couple things you'll notice is this is a Murphy bed model, but it's a true 60 by 80 queen bed, what you've come to know and expect out of Transcend, but something that we do different here on the interior storage. And again, you'll see storage be a big kind of component and common theme of what we do different in this floor plan. On our right, of course, we always have your folding storage. On your left, your hanging storage. You guys know that in a Transcend, but the cool part and something that we did unique here will be kind of your down bedside storage underneath, opening that up on both sides, and you'll see it's not blocked off. That's true deep storage, additional storage for you that you have. Of course, you got your underneath, your table there that we all know and love, and then your dog bowls. So storage throughout all the way up here in the bedside. But let's take a look at the kitchen and show how we're taking that same common theme of maximizing interior storage and making it big here in your kitchen in the 161BH. And you'll notice as we come in, drawers, right? Again, something kills us in single axles. Not a lot of manufacturers putting drawers in the kitchen. We know that's essential to camping. You got your large kind of galley underneath, your overhead there with the shelf. Make sure we're maximizing storage. And then lastly, some of the very unique things that we do are pots and pan storage drawers that you guys know and love in our traditional Explore models. We brought that down into the 161BH for you too. Oversized, over-engineered storage, excuse me, in order to make sure that your larger, heavier, bulkier items are taken care of, okay? As we move to the back here and we get into the bunk area, this is something, remember, you do have that exterior storage on the outside, but inside where the kids put their clothes, we worked really hard in order to incorporate some storage here with two pull-out drawers for you. You can see nice, good storage, able to get the foldable clothes, socks, whatever that may be, for those in the bunks. And then again, we're just gonna keep harping on that storage in your dinette, not only putting doors on them, but big drawers for you that pull out from under the dinette, maximizing the area that you have, even though this may be a smaller floor plan for you, okay? So when we look at this 161BH, the difference that you're gonna see between the Transcend One and a lot of competitors will be that exterior interior storage. But as we flip over into some of those features, we also brought down that large 10.7 cube 12 volt French door refrigerator. That's a standard in this floor plan. So again, single axle, camp kitchen, 23-foot floor plan, ton of interior storage, great kind of kitchen countertop and storage, but better yet, a large refrigerator, 10.7 cube with that bottom freezer. It's at a great height, very functional for you. And last thing before we let you get out of here, let's check out the bathroom, show you what looks different in here. Got the sink in the bathroom, great space for the toilet, nice overhead. It's everything you need in a Transcend. And I know I said I'd end it in the bathroom, but actually out here I wanted to make sure you notice one more thing. You will notice a slide on this model. So our Transcend Ones now, the 151, both of them don't have a slide. We brought a slide into the 161BH. We trusted Norco with this. That's their new cable slide. 4 points of kind of contact and closing to make it one of the most solid slides in the game. We're really excited to incorporate that on the Norco frame. Mirroring the two together has been great for us. But really excited for this 161BH. Dry weight on this unit is going to be right around 4,500 pounds with a loaded vehicle weight at a max of 5,400. It'll be releasing here in January, so check it out at your local Grand Design dealer. We're excited for you to see it and excited to get you into a Transcend 161BH in time for spring. Thanks for joining us today.